Hello everyone, welcome to our Flash webinar. My name is Wesley Lenear. Today I'll be talking about conversion goals and tag management. So just a brief introduction to myself. My name is Wesley Lenear. I'm an account manager here at Hannafin Marketing, and you can follow me on Twitter at _Lenear. So today I'll be talking about conversion goals. I'll talk about setting these goals, creating them in Adwords, and creating them in Google Analytics, and how to measure these goals in your account. Also, I'll be discussing tag management. I'll talk about what tag managers do, and I'll talk about Google Tag Manager and the benefits of that solution, and I'll talk about how to place tags and check those tags to make sure that they're running properly. So without further ado, let's dive into conversion goals. So when you're setting account goals, what you want to do is make sure that the conversion goals you set are aligned with your business goal that you're advertising for within Google AdWords. So first you'll need to do is decide what exactly it is that you want to measure. Then you'll need to select a conversion type. So there's different types of conversions, and all conversions aren't created equally, so you'll want to make sure that you select the appropriate type. Then you'll choose a name for the conversion to delineate each conversion, and you'll be able to identify which is each when you're looking at data. And then the last thing that you'll do is assign a conversion goal value. This is the most key portion of setting account goals and conversion goals. So when you're setting a goal value, this will allow you to measure return on investment more accurately. So you'll be able to have very conversion actions, and not all conversions will be the same. So once you assign the goal values that differ, that will be key in your measurement for return on investment. So in creating your goals, you have two options. So you can do this first within Google AdWords. So within Google AdWords, you can create these goals directly within the interface. So this is probably the most convenient option, and you'll be able to select from website, app, phone, or imported data conversion goals. And then you'll be able to define a goal name for each conversion and a lot of value for each of those as well. The other option that you have is within Google Analytics. So Google Analytics will allow you to find a goal name, set a goal ID for this, and also select a goal type. So it's a little bit different parameters from Google AdWords, but the flexibility here is that you can import your goals that you create in Google Analytics to Google AdWords. So you'll have the ability to use both platforms to measure the effectiveness of those. So once you have your goals set, you'll like to measure the performance of those goals, and you can do this through two ways within Google AdWords. The first way is through the Dimensions tab. So you'll navigate to the Dimensions tab, and then under the View menu, you'll be able to select from either conversion category or the conversion name. So doing this allows you the flexibility to see the data from the conversion level standpoint. The other option that you have is through the Tools menu. So when you're navigating through the Tools menu, you can select Conversions, and here you'll be able to see all of the different conversions that you've selected and imported into the account, and see the measurement of those for specific time ranges, and also you'll be able to see how each conversion goal is currently performing. So if there's a conversion that hasn't received any firings in the last 7 days, you'll see that that will be indicated within the menu here. This is also where you'll be able to import new conversion goals and create new conversions, and also remove conversions as well. So once you set conversion goals, what you'll need to do is place those conversion tags on your site. And to do this is through tag management. So now I'm going to talk about tag management and exactly what these things do. So tag management solutions allow you to streamline the process of placing tags onto your site. So what this does is it places one snippet of code across your domain, and from this snippet of code, this snippet of code houses all of your website tags that you'll place. For instance, Google AdWords tags or Google Analytics tags, or other different types of tags that you'd like to place for any marketing purposes. So when you're doing this, it also allows you to set the firing rules for your tags. So if you'd like one tag to fire before another, Tag Management Solutions provide you the ability to do this. Tag management solutions also allow you to test your tags to make sure that they're running and that they fire accurately. So one of the tag management solutions that I frequently use is Google Tag Manager. The benefits of Google Tag Manager are that they allow you not only to place Google tags, but also third-party tracking tags. So this is really advantageous for me as an account manager. So having that ability, it also allows you to place a container for an entire site. So working with an advertiser, we can place a container across their entire domain that houses all of their tags. The other benefit is that it allows us to update and publish tags without making source code changes. So we don't have to make those trips to the web developer and the IT team to make those updates. We can just do that through the Google Tag Manager interface, and that's something that's really great and saves a lot of time. So in placing a tag, it's really a simple process within Google Tag Manager. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the tag type. So there's lots of different presets for different tag types. In this case, we'd be placing a Google Adwords tag, and this is a preset type. So within Tag Manager, you'll be able to configure the tag with the appropriate parameters. So for a Google AdWords conversion code, we need to have the conversion ID and the conversion label. So once those parameters are set, then we choose the firing rules to make sure that they fire on the appropriate pages of the site. So once the tag has been placed, what you want to do is check that it runs properly. So to do this through Google Tag Manager, what you'll do is navigate to the preview and debug mode. Once this is activated, all you'll need to do is visit the domain of the container that you've set for Google Tag Manager. So what you'll do is open a tab in a new browser window and visit the site, and then from there you'll be able to see exactly where the tags are firing. So on the bottom portion of the site, there will be a Google Tag Manager summary page, and on this page it will indicate which tags are firing and which tags aren't firing. So navigating through the site and making sure that the tags are firing on the appropriate places will allow you to QA and make sure that the tag placement has been done correctly. So once you set up your tags and you've placed them through a tag management solution, you'll be able to publish your tags and set them live on the site. So this is what the preview and debug mode is very advantageous for. So once the tags are set and published live to your site, you'll be good to go, and you should see that your conversion data should be coming in, and everything should be A-OK from there. So that concludes our presentation for today. If you'd like to provide some feedback, you can reach us at marketing@hennepinmarketing.com or contact me directly through Twitter @_Lenear. Thank you for joining, and have a great day.